Hey everybody. So remember that chicken curry, well the um, butter chicken we made? I have the leftover and then I have some from the freezer. So what I did, I've been cleaning out the freezer, rotating stuff. So I had a lone piece of chicken, so I cut that up. I cut up the rest of an onion and I have that in there in the pot. And then I have this frozen chunk. We're going to throw that in there and we're going to let this defrost and melt in there. Then we will add our leftover buttered chicken, and then I'm going to add some chicken broth, and we are going to can this up. I'm going to use my electric canner since it's a small batch. I'm figuring 2 or 3 pints maybe. So I have a couple of cans of chicken thighs ready to go in the canner. I'm going to use my Carry canner, but if you use your regular canner, the time and everything will be the same. So when we get to that part, I'll be back. Okay, we've got that frozen, defrosted. I'm going to add my leftover. And when I reheat this from the jar, I will add some potatoes, maybe carrots and peas, and bulk it up even more. Plus a potato will thicken it back up. I have a cup of chicken broth there. So we can thin this out. And that frozen batch still had the peppers in there, so that's going to make it more hot. Pour about half a cup there. Get that warmed up. So you can your leftovers. The only reason things are not recommended is because it's not been tested in a FDA kitchen. But if you're doing your soups and your stews, it's the same thing. It's just different seasonings. I think that's thinned down enough. Fill it up to 1 inch of head space. Wipe off our rim with some vinegar. Always use vinegar when working with anything that has an oil, meats and such. Wipe off our rim. Gonna have to get another jar. And fingertip tight. So that one's ready. I'm gonna go get some more jars and we will fill them up. Okay, got a couple more jars. Make sure when you get new jars that you wash them. Always wash them. I will top these off with some chicken broth. Wipe off the rim. And as soon as my burner cools off, I will pop these in my electric canner. And these will process for 75 minutes. And I will show them to you when they come out of the canner. So, your leftovers, can them up. Waste nothing. So we'll be back. Alrighty, our butter chicken is canned up and done. They are boiling away. So there's my 3 jars of curry. And my 2 jars of chicken. So there you have it, guys. can those leftovers. The handle came off of my jar grabber, so it's kind of hard to use, but there's our chicken, butter chicken. So there's five jars of food for the pantry. So can up those leftovers if you don't have space in your freezer, or to ensure that if power goes out you don't lose food. So there you have it. Can those leftovers. It's easy. It's just like doing your soups, your stews, your chilies, whatever. So if you have any questions, let me know down below. And if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, subscribe, come back, visit us again, and you never know what we're going to do. So I'm going to do some doggy treats, and I've got more canning going, and we're popping. Always want to hear that sound. So anyways, potatoes coming next, cheese. I'll have to look at my list. But anyways, you all take care, you stay safe, you stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.